Alright y'all, as you see, this is just pretty much a mud puddle. See this? It's pretty much a freaking mud puddle. But, as I'm finding out here, you see this? We got 110 there, bang! Got the rat there. Wow. There's rats in here, which is cool. I didn't think there would be rats in these little tiny mud puddles, but right there's the proof. I mean, not a monster rat, it's a small rat, but nonetheless, we got a rat. We'll get him out of the trap and keep checking. Alright y'all, here we are. These are our floats that we built. We just used a carrot, which carrot's shot. But anyways, here's our float. As you see, we run 2 traps. We got a trap missing. And what do we got? Sorry. But a nice rat. So that is the first rat we've caught on these floats. There's 1 rat hut, 2 rat huts, 3 rat huts. There's like 5 or 6 huts in here. I just found this spot yesterday. But you look at it, you don't think there'd be any rats in here. I mean, it's just, I guess they'll live anywhere. But anyways, here we are. And there's our third rat of the morning, anyways. So, there he is. Just sitting on trails anyways, but was in upstate New York, you cannot disturb a muskrat house. But anyways, there he is. We got a few more traps in here. Here we have us a beaver. That's a big beaver. Not too happy. But this is the 5th beaver this morning. And this is the first one I've been able to hold and keep in the trap. I've had 4 others twist out on me. But we're going to get this guy taken care of. Get this reset. This bank is all tore up. That is beautiful. That's a real dark rat. It's a really dark rat. But, so yeah. Either way, oh, looks like somebody was chewing on his ear. Probably goddamn mink again. But look at that. Caught him by a couple toes. That's a nice looking rat though. It's our first stop of the morning. So, alright y'all, here we are. As you see, these beavers have just fucked this whole place right up. But anyways, a trap is missing and I just pulled up. Oh, right by the toes. But nonetheless, that's our 3rd beaver in the truck this morning, so we're doing all right. Oh y'all, here we are, another beaver set, and oh yeah, there he is. We suitcased him in the old 330. There he is. Number 5 on the day. Not a bad day. Not us. Another rat. Look at that. He's stuck in 2 traps. That's pretty cool. But anyways, we're gonna get him taken out and keep moving down the line. There you go. Number 3 on the day. We've missed a couple beaver. Oh y'all, here we are. This is our 2nd rat on these floats. They're starting to work now that the rats are moving, but we've just been running apples on them. So it's our second rat on a float. It's our 4th rat already today. So we're catching. We'll have a few more, I'm sure of. Stay tuned. Float, and Get them up out the bottom here. There is another rat on the float. Oh, I had him just by one toe. Almost got away, but not quite. The old floats with the apples are working, so I'll turn you back on when we get more. Alright guys, here we are. We're out checking traps this morning. And here's my stakes. Oh God, that's a big fucker. We got us down here. You can't see, but you're going to see here in a minute. I think we got us a hell of a beaver.
Yeah, there's probably something on it. They're not pushing it towards the thing.
Bam! There he is. Right by the head. Perfect catch. Couldn't ask for anything better. This is just a little channel. I threw some caster up on here yesterday. I know the beaver's been diving under these logs, but there he is. So we'll get him out of the trap and keep him moving. Oh y'all, here we are again. Got one beaver in the 330 right here. Another beaver over here in the 330. So we got us a double here. 3 beaver, 5 rats. It's not bad. Alright y'all, here we are, first stop of the morning. And we got us beaver in the 330. This is the first trap we've checked, so we got one catch. I'm sure we'll have more. Stay tuned. Well, here we are. Got us a non-target catch. I mean, as you see, everybody, oh, trapping is so inhumane. Look, this coon is not, he's not too happy, is he? But anyways, he's just like he's in a handcuff. He's not in any pain, he's not freaking out. But now I gotta walk back to the truck and grab the catch pole. I hate releasing these fucking things. A good sized coon though. Yes, I'll let you go. I'll let you go, okay? I'm not gonna kill you. You're out of season. And your hair looks like shit anyways. But, see? There he is. Like I said, he's not in any pain. He's wanting to bite. Joe, we got him out of the trap now. Finally. But, he's not happy. So we're going to get him turned loose here, and hopefully he goes on his merry way and he don't try to bite. But anyways, there we go. He's probably going to scoot right up the street the minute I release him. But I tell you, right up the tree he goes. He's alright, he's just a little winded. But there he is. He's released. He's good. He'll go on his merry way now. But as you see, no harm done. Alright Joe, here we are. It's my third stop. Got one beaver. Goon I released, and now one rat so far. I noticed checking traps, and I got a trap missing, so I'm assuming I caught a beaver or a coon and he pulled my stake. So y'all, here we are. This is the first beaver of the day. Had one pull out on us, but he didn't pull out that old 330. Nailed him. Let's keep checking. Right there, you can't see him, but there is a drowned rat. Right there. There you go. It's our second rat. You can see all the rat tracks here. But I'm sure we'll have a few more rats. It's not bad so far. 2 rats, a beaver, and a coon. We've missed a couple beaver also, but you'll have that. I've seen this set quite a few times this year. As you see, there he is floating. I don't know what it is about these sets, but I have caught a ton of rats on that set right there. It's just a trail. I mean, deer and everything else use these trails here, but as you can see, the rats love these trails. I don't know why, but they do. It's probably just an easy spot for them to get up to go get some fresh roots. But anyways, that's our third rat, and we're still at the same spot. I'm sorry guys, but this beaver I caught in a 1.5 coil spring. Look at this. You see that? I had that beaver by one toe. He was just about out, getting out of the trap. I mean, as you see, he pulled my drowned wire up. This was set for muskrats. Come down through checking the traps, and I seen him in the trap. I had to run back and get the gun. But buddy, that's a fucking monster. When I tell you one toe, look at that. By one freaking toe. In a 1.5 Duke coil spring. I ear hold him at about 50 yards because I knew he was about to get out of the trap. But that's a fucking tank. That's number 2. Alright, Joe, here we are. See the rat floating? It's our third stop. It's our first catch so far. But as soon as I could find my damn drowned wire, I get my foot under the drowned wire. We got us a rat. There he is. Another nice big rat. Caught by the front foot. Just had it set right there, so we're catching. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, here we are. It's number 4. Just picked one up on the float. Got this one here. I got another float that's flipped over, so I'm assuming there's going to be something on that guy too, but stay tuned. So guys, here we are again this morning, and as you see, this is all I'm doing for the muskrats. And I'm just taking my boat and I'm driving a hole like this. That's it. All I'm doing is that little hole right there, and oh, we missed them. Alright y'all, here we are again this morning, and see the rat under the water. There he is. Nice rat. Another little back foot catch. But we just had her set up here. Had it set right there. But it's our first rat of the morning. Let's keep checking. There is, ooh, hold on. Here is our second rat of the morning. There he is, 2 rats so far. They're not too terrible bad, but we're catching. That's all that matters to me. Hopefully we got us a couple more. We had us a little trail right here, and as you can see, here is our beaver. Not a very big guy, a little one, but that's a second beaver this morning. Got 2 beaver and 2 rats so far. The other beaver I had caught in a number 1.5 double long spring. I shot the beaver, and then the beaver broke free from the trap and got away. So we got 1 in the truck right now and 2 rats, so let's keep checking.